I have a question for you. How does the Time magazine's 2021 Person of the Year, Forbes first-ranked billionaire with $236.8 billion net worth, CEO and founder of Tesla, SpaceX, The Boring Company, Neuralink and more, live in a house that costs much less than one of his Tesla cars? Well, join us as we share with you the inspiring info about Tesla's new amazing house built for sustainable living. Elon lives in a $50,000 little home near SpaceX's development and testing center in Boca Chica, Texas, instead of the luxurious residence we all know he can afford. Musk tweeted in June that he has sold most of his properties. So, why did Elon sell his luxurious houses and move into a $50,000 pre-made home? He declared in June that he had decided to sell his last residence. According to the statement on Twitter, he owns only one house in the San Francisco Bay Area, which he leases out for events. Allegedly, he chose to sell the mansion after reading a ProPublica paper that stated, American billionaires like Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett rarely, if ever, pay their fair amount of taxes. According to the survey, the wealthiest executives in America barely pay a fraction of their income in taxes, despite the fact that their total wealth continues to grow. But we all know that Musk does not care about what others think about his wealth and that the only freeloaders here are the senators, who live off of the taxes from the wealthy. He stated, in a response tweet about his last property sold on June 9, that he is now working on sustainable energy for planet with Tesla and helping to protect the future by making life multiplanetary with SpaceX, along with AI risk reduction with Neuralink, and fixing traffic with The Boring Company. He indicated, in a recent post, that his primary home is a $50,000 mansion, or Starbase rather, that he rents from SpaceX in Boca Chica. And why not, right? In Boca Chica, he is creating his own space colony. He's done so many amazing projects in the last several years, and based on his record of success, he's capable of building a starbase as well. Boca Chica, a little village on the southernmost tip of Texas, where its residents lived quiet life, until Elon Musk and SpaceX took up residence there. In March, he announced that it would be renamed Starbase in an effort to boost investments in the southern U.S. state. Despite being a billionaire, one would expect Elon to live in a luxurious mansion. But he decided to sell everything he owned, only to move into this mysterious apartment. SpaceX is building a new factory in Texas to support its satellite-based internet service, Starlink. And who knows, maybe Musk doesn't even need to live in this world for much longer as he plans to colonize more than one planet, including Mars by 2026. It's clear that the house's designer is so good that Musk decided to live there. But who built and designed Musk's Tesla residence? Many people are surprised to learn that Elon Musk's home in Starbase, Texas, is a 20 by 20 square foot box produced in bulk rather than a magnificent villa. Yes, you got that right. Musk is now basically living in a 400 square feet apartment. Boxable, a construction company that specializes in easy-to-assemble housing units, is the one that designed his home. The cost of a house through Boxable starts at $50,000. This does not include landscaping permits or utility hookup charges. The Boxable homes aren't exactly lavish, but Musk has the means to add the finishing touches. In November, Boxable released a video of the casita, revealing that it had been created for a high-profile and top-secret customer in Boca Chica, however no one was named. But according to Musk, that's where he is currently living. Because Boxable homes are made in factories and can be folded into shipping containers, it's rather simple to figure out what's inside the mystery house. They've spent years developing with steel concrete and APS foam to figure out which materials will not deteriorate. The walls, floors, and roofs are all manufactured of laminated panels, making them legal to transport on a highway. In some states, shipping is free, however there are extra costs for distant locations. The $50,000 price includes delivery and unpacking, however as previously stated, licenses and other fees may be required. Plumbing, electricity, and air conditioning are all pre-installed and ready to use. The inside of the casita may be seen in the floor plan, which can also be modified by combining multiple modules. 375 square feet gives you a fully furnished studio apartment. There's also a 10-foot ceiling with plenty of windows and doors. Its compact size does not contradict the presence of a full-size kitchen, which includes a refrigerator, double sink, and dishwasher, as well as counters that run the length of the walls, forming a dining area. It has a tiny carbon impact, allowing you to build your home almost anywhere, and these homes are quite durable as well. Even the Tesla Model X, believe it or not, is worth $79,000, which is significantly more than the house. So, maybe now we understand why Elon made his decision. You may be wondering why he wants to get rid of just about everything. Well, it seems this is his way of trying to leave as little of a carbon footprint as he can. Musk, unlike the majority of the world's billionaires, does not own a luxurious yacht or a multi-million-dollar mansion anymore. For years, Musk has been attempting to live this way. It's no surprise that he's lowered his living standards. Musk does not appear to be remorseful about his decision. When asked about the tiny residence in Texas, he tweeted, "My primary home is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica Starbase that I rent from SpaceX. It's sort of amazing though, the only house I own is the events house in the Bay Area. If I sold it, the house would have less use, unless it was purchased by a big family, which might happen eventually." Elon Musk may be the fun-loving billionaire we all know and respect, but he could teach us a thing or two. Perhaps we can model Elon. Ultimately, when compared to his peers, he has the lowest carbon pollution, and he is the world's youngest billionaire. As a side note, we all know that Musk has suspended Bitcoin payments for Tesla cars due to environmental concerns. Given that he holds sustainability as a core value at Tesla, it's only natural that he'd want to live in a tiny sustainable house. The casita, according to Boxable, is a very energy-efficient home since it is built using insulation technology and uses LED lighting, both of which maximize resident comfort and save money. These houses are long-lasting, with a snow load capability of 90% of North America and the ability to be adapted to accommodate snow in the remaining 10%. Tiny houses require less energy and take up less room than traditional houses, therefore they have a lower environmental effect. So that's it about Musk's sustainable house today. If you liked the video, please tickle the like button until it turns blue, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified when we upload new cool videos from the world of the wealthy. Until next time, take care.